Welcome to another child-proofing safety tip from DreamBaby. Today we're taking a look at a handy product to help protect your children from pinched fingers. And DreamBaby's door stopper prevents your children from slamming doors as well as accidentally locking themselves in a room. Simply fit anywhere on the outer edge of the door or the top of the door above the reach of children. The cushion prevents the door from slamming, which prevents your children's fingers from getting pinched. The door stopper also comes in multiple shapes and colors to fit any door. It's great for use at home and easy to pack when you travel. Another simple way from DreamBaby to help keep your children safe.